Welcome back, viewer. Today, we are going to explore some delicious detox drinks that not only boost your metabolism but also help your body eliminate harmful toxins. Are you ready to embark on a journey of health and wellness? Let's get started. 1. Lemon Ginger Detox Water. We begin our detox journey with the classic, Lemon Ginger Detox Water. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, while ginger aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Combine the two in a glass of cool water, and you have a refreshing and detoxifying elixir that kickstarts your metabolism and flushes out toxins. 2. Green Tea Elixir. Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits. It contains antioxidants that help increase metabolism and burn fat. Steep a cup of green tea in hot water, and you'll have an energy-boosting, fat-burning elixir that aids in detoxification. 3. Beet Berry Smoothie. Ready for a vibrant, nutrient-packed detox drink? Blend beets, mixed berries, and a splash of coconut water to create a delicious and colorful smoothie. Beets are rich in antioxidants and help purify the liver, while mixed berries offer a dose of vitamins and fiber, promoting overall detoxification. 4. Cucumber Mint Cooler. For a refreshing detox drink, try the Cucumber Mint Cooler. Cucumbers are a natural diuretic, helping flush out toxins and reduce water retention. Fresh mint adds a burst of flavor and aids digestion. Mix cucumber slices, fresh mint leaves, and sparkling water for a zesty and hydrating detox experience. 5. Apple Cider Vinegar Tonic. Apple cider vinegar has been praised for its numerous health benefits. Dilute a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water, add a squeeze of lemon, and a drizzle of honey for a balanced tonic. This drink helps curb cravings, reduces bloating, and improves digestion, making it an excellent choice for detoxification. 6. Pineapple Kale Smoothie. Pineapple and kale make a powerful detox combination. Pineapple contains enzymes that aid digestion, while kale is packed with antioxidants and fiber. Blend these ingredients with a splash of coconut water, and you'll have a detox smoothie that promotes healthy digestion and reduces inflammation. 7. Watermelon Mint Infusion. Stay hydrated and detoxify your body with a watermelon mint infusion. Watermelon is not only delicious but also contains high levels of lycopene, an antioxidant that helps flush out toxins. Add fresh mint leaves for a refreshing twist, and infuse it in a jug of water for a naturally sweet detox experience. 8. Turmeric Ginger Tea. Turmeric possesses powerful detoxifying properties due to its active compound, curcumin. Combine freshly grated turmeric root with ginger in a pot of boiling water. Strain it into a cup, add a squeeze of lemon and a touch of honey, and you'll have a warming and detoxifying tea that supports liver function. 9. Blueberry Lemon Detox Water. Last but certainly not least, we have Blueberry Lemon Detox Water. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants and help neutralize harmful free radicals. Combine them with lemon wedges in a jug of water, and you'll have a vibrant and detoxifying water that promotes healthy skin and digestion. And there you have it, viewer. 9 incredible detox drinks to boost your metabolism and eliminate toxins daily. These delicious beverages not only promote better health but are also a delightful addition to your daily routine. So why not embark on this detoxifying journey and start feeling rejuvenated from within? Remember to consult your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.